YouTubers, this is Nick Tsoukales with Credit News Daily. Let's talk about trade lines. Let's talk about buying trade lines. I'm getting this question a lot. Should I buy trade lines? I got a company, they emailed me randomly and they sell trade lines. I can get trade lines and have instant, amazing credit. Should I do it? Short answer is no. HE double hockey sticks, no. You should never, ever, 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 ever in a million years ever buy trade lines. Number one, for those who don't know what a trade line is, it's an account. Okay, a trade line is a line item on your credit report. Okay, and there are some strange, weird, shady companies out there that will sell you the ability to become an authorized user on other people's accounts. Okay, if you're unsure what that is, or you're wondering what that is, let's say me, Nick, I want to make you a card holder on one of my credit cards. Okay, I can make you a card holder or something called an authorized user, okay? And even though you don't necessarily qualify for that credit card, it will start reporting to the three credit agencies the data, the positive reporting on your credit, okay? You'll actually get the credit from that credit, okay? You've never qualified for it, so I've just added you. Now, there are some companies online right now that are willing to sell you someone else's trade line. They'll charge you $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. And what you'll do is you'll become an authorized user on some random people's credit card. Number one, don't do this. The reason you don't want to do this, or there are quite a few reasons. The first is it's pretty highly legal. The Federal Trade Commission is really frowning upon this. Okay, they don't like this practice. The companies that are selling this stuff, most of them have been sent cease and desist letters. There have been some companies where the owners have actually gone to jail for selling these trade lines. It's highly illegal. Okay, the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, is frowning upon this. Okay. So they're saying no also. Keep in mind, it's not totally black and white, but the perception of it is that you're actually using someone else's identity as well, okay, for the purposes of basically ripping off future banks and lenders. It's a shady practice, so you want to stay away from it. Another big reason, let's say it wasn't, let's say it was perfectly legal and perfectly fine. Another thing is you're not in control of your own credit. Guys, we teach you how to manage your credit cards, how to manage your debt, how to manage on-time payments, how to build a payment history, how to access different types of credit. The FICO 5, I show you guys how to control the 5 factors that make up your FICO score. Well, when you sign up as an authorized cardholder on some random person's card, you don't control your credit anymore. If they go late on that card, you go late. If they max out that card, you've maxed out that card as well. Okay, so you are no longer in control of your credit report, and that alone should scare you to death. So I would absolutely stay away from trade lines. Number one, you could get in some big trouble for doing it. Okay, that's the big thing. The second thing is, even if you couldn't get in big trouble for doing it, you are going to be at risk, or you are going to be at risk of someone else controlling your credit, and that's a major no-no in my book. Okay, so trade lines, stay away from them. Bad news, no good. Okay. Also, one other quick fact. In the old days, maybe about a decade ago, it used to be where when you did become an authorized cardholder on someone's credit card, you actually got all of the previous reporting for that account on your credit report instantly. So you could be an 18-year-old, become an authorized user on your parents' credit card, and all of a sudden you could have 20 years worth of credit history. You could have credit history longer than your actual age, right? No longer happens. The day you become an authorized card holder, that's the day you get credit for it, okay? So don't fall for the scam that you're going to have 20 years worth of positive credit history from American Express because you've been placed as a card holder on someone's account. It's just totally false as well. So another reason to stay away from buying trade lines. The fourth reason is it's ridiculously expensive. Why, in God's good name, am I going to give you $1,000, $2,000, $5,000? I've heard of some people paying $5,000 to buy trade lines, when I can go to my local bank or credit union, get a prepaid credit card, or excuse me, a secured credit card in my name that I control, okay, for $500. Okay, and it doesn't cost me $500. It's just $500 worth of collateral I put up with that bank. Okay, they hold it there. It's still my money. It's at the bank. Okay, why would I pay some company a fee when I can do this myself and get secured credit cards? So again, another reason, 4 or 5, there are a million reasons I could continue going down the list. So guys, this is Nick Tsoukales with Credit News Daily. Thanks for checking us out. You can reach out to us at www.keycreditrepair.com/free consultation. If you ever have any questions regarding your credit, hit us up. We'll be standing by. Have a great day. Bye.